Okay, so this is a question that we have under matrices. Let's see how we can answer this particular question. So we are just tested on two things, determinant and inverse, just on two things. So the question is saying, given that matrix A is equal to 2x, 3, 2, then x. So 2x, 3, 2, x. Find the positive value of x for which determinant of A is 12. Before you answer this question, you can ask yourself, why have they said positive value instead of saying just find the value of x? Is this to tell you that there is a possibility of also finding a negative, but they are just interested in the positive value? The question is saying we find the value of x. This is a matrix. You know that this is the major diagonal, this is the minor diagonal. So how do you find the determinant? You just use the concept of the determinant, then equate to 12 because you've used the concept of the determinant. So you say 2x times x. So this is what you're going to say, 2x times what? X. Minus minor diagonal, 3 times 2. Then we say equal to the determinant. What is the determinant? The determinant is 12. So here we say 2x times x, that is 2x squared, minus 3 times 2, that is 6, which is equal to 12. So here now we solve an equation because we want to find the value of x. This one moves to the other side of the equation. You know that when it crosses the equal to sign, it becomes positive if it is negative in this case. So we are going to have 2x squared is equal to 12 plus 6, which is just the same as 18. So I can lap here and just put 18. It is just one and the same, 18. Where I divide by 2, even here I divide by 2. So this and that will be cancelled. I'm going to have x squared, which is equal to 18 divided by 2, 9. So square root both sides, square root both sides. So that this square root and the square will cancel out. I'm going to have x, which is equal to what? I'll just say 3. Because they're just interested in the positive value of x. So I just say x is equal to what? 3. I just end here. The question was just telling us to find the positive value of x. If you want, you can say x is equal to plus or negative 3. Then you say therefore x is equal to 3. The choice is yours. We move now to this other question. Hence or otherwise, write a to the power negative 1. That is the inverse. So the matrix A is equal to, this is the matrix A. Matrix A is equal to, we know that x is 3. So 2 times 3, that is 6. So instead of writing 2x, I'll just write a 6. 3, x is 3, then 2 there. Have you seen? This is the matrix that we are talking about. I say A inverse is equal to, you say 1 over the determinant. What is the determinant in this case? The determinant is what? 12. Some people get to make mistakes. Some people make mistakes where they are going to forget. They'll get this as the determinant, but they said x is equal to 3. These are common mistakes that the candidates do make in an exam. So we know the determinant of A is 12. We put a 12 here like this. Then you do this. What happens is that this is the major diagonal. In the major diagonal, positions are going to swap. 3 there, 6 there. This is the minor diagonal. What happens to the minor diagonal? Signs will change. This is positive, it becomes negative. This is positive, becomes negative. So meaning that this is the inverse. You can end here if you want. There is no problem. But if you know what you are doing, you may proceed. You can further simplify this where you say A inverse is equal to, where you remove this scalar, you say 1 times 3, that is 3, then you say over what? over 12. 1 times negative 2, that is negative 2 over 12. 1 times negative 3, that is negative 3 over 12. 1 times 6, that is 6 over 12. Then finally, you've got an answer which is 3 there, 1. 3 there, 4. So we've got 1 over 4. 2 there, 1. 2 there, 6. So we've got negative 1 over 6. Negative 1 over 6. 3 there, 1. 3 there, 4. So negative 1 over 4. Negative 1 over 4. 6 there, 1. 6 there, 2. 1 over 2. So I say 1 over 2. So meaning that this is my answer. I can advise you to be ending up to here. This means that the person knows what he or she is doing. I can advise you to be ending here. So this is the question that I had for you. Even as we end, don't forget to like this video. And those of you that are interested in starting lessons with me can contact me on my number. This is my number. You can contact me on this number. This is my number. I offer tuitions in mathematics and science. So this is my WhatsApp number. I'm here to help you get a distinction in mathematics and sciences. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.